Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how I created this winterscape. I'm going to show you how I made these pieces and they absolutely came out beautiful. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click that notification bell. That way you will know when I upload a new video. And if you're an old subscriber coming through just to watch another video, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. So if you're interested in how I created this beautiful winterscape, just keep watching. So first I'm going to start with this clear vase that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using some gemstones that I picked up from the Chandelier company online from Amazon. And I know this is not a very good picture of it, but I will show you a close-up of what these stones look like that I'm going to be using. Well, these are actually glass chandelier pieces. The smaller ones I'm going to be using and that large one. Yeah, these are really beautiful. They're iridescent and they sparkle like crazy. So what I'm going to do now is adhere a row of stones around the edge of the vase, and then I'm going to go back in and apply a second row. Right now I'm just going to use a little hot glue and apply that large gorgeous stone right there in the center. And this absolutely looks stunning. I love the way this looks. And this is going to be like the showpiece of all the items I'm going to make. So moving forward, I'm going to take these reindeer that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. This is the way they originally look. And I'm going to paint them using some silver paint. And I'm going to also sprinkle a little bit of iridescent glitter on top. So right now I'm just going to paint both the reindeers. I'm going to let the first painting dry for about a half an hour, and I'm going to paint them again and then let them dry for an hour and a half. So now that they're fully dried, this is what they look like, and it came out absolutely gorgeous. And if you wanted to paint yours, you can stop right here. But what I'm going to do is use a little bit of Mod Podge, and I'm just going to apply that iridescent glitter on top. The iridescent glitter is eye makeup glitter that I got from NYX. I had a little bit left over from my old makeup days, so now I'm going to use it in my DIYs. After that, I'm going to let them dry for about an hour. Now that they're completely dry, guys, this is what they look like. It looks so frosty and snow covered. So right now I'm going to apply those chandelier gems to the reindeer. So right now, guys, what I'm going to do with this placemat, which is silver on one side and white on the other, I'm going to create those tall, slim Christmas trees that I've seen like in Marshalls and in Home Goods. I'm going to create two. I'm going to be using these old silver placemats that I picked up from my thrift store. First, I'm going to fold the placemat 1/4 of the way in, and then I'm just going to take and softly roll it. I'm using my hand and my finger to help create the point of the slim tree, and I'm just using my other hand just to smooth it out to make sure our tree is nice and smooth. And this is what that looks like, and it looks just like some of the trees that I see in some of the specialty stores. So I'm loving the way this is coming out. Right now I'm going to apply a little hot glue to the edges where the openings are, and I'm just going to seal it shut so that it won't unravel. So right now I'm just going to trim off the bottom and make it nice and even, and then I'm going to go back in and apply those chandelier gems to the front of our tree. And guys, this is what that looks like. So right now this project is done. I'm going to take you to the final look, and this is what that looks like, guys. Everything looks really beautiful. I love the way each piece came out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, guys, and I want to thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye.